Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to insert a picture in a resume in Microsoft Word. So first, let's insert a resume. Go to File, then New, and select one of these resumes. Let's select this one, for example. Click on it, then click on Create. Now, to change or to insert your picture, click on the picture, then right-click on it, then select Format Shape, and go to Fill and Line, and click on Fill, then select Picture or Texture Fill, and here click on Insert Picture from File or Online. So let's insert a picture from the computer. Go to the file location and select your picture. Let's select this one, for example. Then click on Insert. Now click on the picture again and go to Format under Picture Tools. Go to Crop, then select Fill. Now you can move the picture inside of the frame. And once you're happy with the result, just click outside of the picture. Now you can also add a frame or add an outline to the picture. Just click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools and select Picture Border and select a color from here. Let's select, or let's use this blue, for example. You can change the weight of the outline. And you can also click on this icon here and select behind text or in front of text. Let's select in front of text, and you can move or reposition the picture. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.